tropical vacation, baby. And I'm so excited. I am not prepared at all, which basically means that I have to get ready. I have to be prepared. Currently, right now, I am going to get my hair done. I'm going to get some knotless braids, because what other better style to get than braids when you're going to a tropical island? So anyway, if you're new here, hey, please, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, watch this video to the end, please, because that helps so much. Even if you don't want to sit and actually watch it to the end, let it play. Let it play in the background. It's not gonna hurt anybody. Can I order the oatmeal with an orange juice? I just love this oatmeal. So good. Checking in, guys. It's been hours. My hair is officially done. This is what it looks like. It's really long. It's way longer than I kind of wanted it, but I mean, it's still really pretty. They did a really good job. All right, what's going on? I made it home. One thing that I don't want to do on this trip, this vacation, is I don't want to wait till the last minute like I always do. Like, I want to plan outfits. I want to make sure everything's super coordinated. I really want to be organized, because whenever I go out of town, I'm never organized. I'm always just throwing things in my suitcase last minute, and I really just want to be prepared. So I really want to get organized and like try some things on. And that's probably what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna try some things on, like try some outfits on and stuff like that. Unbox some boxes. I got some Amazon packages. I think I know what this is. This is the jewelry organizer that I ordered. This is nice. So this is what it looks like. It's just like it's like this, and then you open it up, and then it holds all your jewelry in it. It was super cheap. I think it was like $20. It wasn't bad at all. And it has like a little pocket here for your jewelry. And then it looks like it has like place for your like your studs. Then I also got another mini tripod because I'm going on this trip and I need a new one. This is what it looks like. It's just, and then it goes to the side as well. That way you can kind of like put your phone on it. And then I got a new tripod as well. I wanted my other tripod, my oldest tripod broke. The leg broke. So I just got this really nice, sleek tripod. It's so nice and so pretty. Hi guys, what is going on? It is the next day. I was so tired yesterday. I don't know why, but you guys could probably tell towards the end of the day, I was just drained. I was just very low energy, and I went to bed at like 7 o'clock last night, and I got a lot of sleep. So now I'm back, okay, and feeling energized. Still getting used to the braids, still getting used to them. I really like them, but they're just new for me. I haven't had braids. I haven't had braids in a long darn diggity second. I got a couple of packages, and I just want to make sure that everything that I got fits right, so that when I'm actually on vacation, I'm not putting it on and being like, this looks terrible, and now I have no idea what to wear. I picked this one up from Pretty Little Thing. I'm gonna do an entire haul though on the Pretty Little Thing items that I got, so you guys will see it on there as well, but I definitely wanted to see if this one fit, and this one's kind of cute. So here's some shorts. I feel like this is such a cute outfit. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. These are from Fashion Nova. Oh my god, hello. It's been a hot minute, and I was like, I really need to just check in. I completely forgot about you guys. But basically, I'm going to film some photos for a brand called Pinsy Social. I'm in a collaboration with them, and honestly I don't know if I can show these pieces, but this is the outfit that I'm going to be taking a picture in. I have a little blazer from Nasty Gal, and then the bodysuit. This isn't even a bodysuit, guys, this is a body shaper, and it's so good. Like, I'm not even kidding. I don't know why my phone is so dark, but anyway, I'm wearing these Levi's 501 jeans with my Torrid chunky heels. This is the outfit. I'm gonna go to a parking garage and take the pictures. I feel like it will match with like that sleek going out look. We're on location to where We're on location. This is where I like to take some of my Instagram pictures. I have like favorite spots that I like to go to. I'll show you guys. It's like a really desolate parking garage. So it's literally perfect. Look, nobody's here. No one is up here. I get this entire deck to myself.
It's a draft. Yeah. All my friends pulled up for good vibes. We know that the goodbyes could mean going to some. We ain't tryna live forever. Just live it up.
Okay, so I'm just checking in because I just got done filming a try-on haul for you guys, and that will be up shortly. I'm gonna get in front of the ring light because the lighting is hitting, but that will be up shortly. This is one of the pieces, a little sneak peek, or it might already be up. I'll tag it in the cards if it is up. But yeah, I just want to check on you guys. I filmed a video, and now I'm going to feed Marley some dinner because he's hungry. But yeah, I think that's all we have today. I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. I think I'm just gonna spend some time with the boy, and then I'll check in with you guys tomorrow.
Walking down.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Thank you. Ooh, I hate that. Beautiful people, it is the next day. It is the last and final day that I have to get ready for my trip, so I'm going to get my lashes done right now. I'm gonna get some lash extensions. I just feel like it would be so much easier. It's so rainy and disgusting out today. Look, you guys, my room is a mess. Like, I mean, there's stuff everywhere, so if you see that, that's why. I've already started packing. This is what I have so far. I've tried everything on and put a couple outfits together. So this is what I have so far, but I have to wash a couple of things and get everything together. But this is the start.
Period last night, because like that's why like yesterday when I was like I'm gonna eat, I was like I need to eat. Like I just want to keep eating. Like I don't want to stop.
Holy that was me. Oh my god. Okay guys, so I just made it to my lash appointment. She's not here yet, so she's gonna call me in a second. But I just want to show you guys my before. This is what they look like before. Take a look. This is the after. I feel so much better with my lashes on. I'm not gonna lie. I got them longer and a little bit more dramatic than I usually do. They're really long and wispy. I think that's perfect for the vacation. I'm so excited, guys. I love them. I have had them off for about a month, and I can tell you that my lash lady like never ruins my lashes. My lashes are always still intact, and I'm so excited because I finally have them back on after a month, and I just love my lash extensions. I'm sorry, I just feel like I'm way more put together with my lash extensions. I feel like half this vlog is taking place in my car. But I'm at Walmart right now. I need to run in and get a beach towel. I want to have a beach towel just in case. I'm pretty sure the resort we're staying at is going to have beach towels, but I'd like to have one just in case. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm at Walmart. It's raining, it's gross. I have to run outside and run back, so I'm not gonna bring my camera. I'm just gonna go in and get it and come back out. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I'm just checking in with you guys. Damn, oily Sally over here. I'm just checking in with you guys. How I decided to get everything together was throw everything in. Like, just throw everything in. It's so unorganized right now, guys. Like, it's literally, I just threw everything in the bag that I needed, besides like toiletries and stuff. And then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna fold everything and organize everything by outfit. Like, this is an outfit right here, and I'm just going to organize it way more than what it is right now. I have the beach towel, underwear, bras, panties, like shapewear, masks, lotion. So I'm gonna just like organize all of this right now, and then I'll start adding more stuff. I just wanted to get like the initial things out of the way. It's almost 10 o'clock at night, and I think I'm just about done packing. I just have to add in my sleepwear and the things that I'm going to be wearing to sleep, which for me is just big t-shirt, but this is what we have. Okay, so I think I did a pretty good job with organization. I don't have like those little cube block things, so I ended up using like a bag. This has all my underwear and my swimsuits in it, and then I just folded everything else, honestly. The rest is just clothes. I have my makeup bag here, I have my tripod right here, and just miscellaneous things right underneath. And then on this side it's basically empty, which I like because I can bring things back. But this has all my toiletries in it. This has miscellaneous things, my sandals, random makeup pads, makeup cotton rounds, and I like that I have all this extra room. Officially done with packing. I'm so excited. I leave tomorrow. I have to wake up at 6 o'clock a.m. in the morning. I'm going to go ahead and get this footage up on the vlog and upload the vlog so that you guys can have it tomorrow. And I'm going to be vlogging the entire trip, so definitely turn on post notifications and subscribe so you do not miss out. You don't want to miss out. You want to see. It's gonna be so fun. It's gonna be so pretty. So definitely subscribe, stick around, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. It's coming soon. Bye.